What's up, YouTube family? This is Three Natural Girls Mom, and I'm just coming up to you guys with my 4-month lock update. It is 16 weeks, but I'll have officially 4 months in about 4 days. So it's a little bit early. Things are about the same. I'm still kind of budding and stuff, as you can kind of see with the sun. I changed my lock color, and it's red and burgundy on the roots and bright red on the ends. I'm loving it, actually. I'm kind of really liking it. Kind of got some shrinkage, but for the most part it lays down. I still got this one little feisty lock that does what it wants to do. Stands up or whatever. I still, when I wash my hair, I just, I co-wash. I don't use shampoo. I use Pantene Moisture conditioner. I retwist. I usually retwist like once every month. Every month and a half, I retwist. When it gets real bad, I do a retwist. Mostly, I don't worry about the rest of my head. I might interlock or retwist these front ones so that they don't look so bad. But for the most part, I'm just loving it. Yeah, it's awesome. The carefreeness of being able to just do what I want to do. I don't gotta wake up and flat iron and curl and all that kind of stuff, and I just roll with it. So loving being locked, and can't wait till I'm 6 months and give you guys an update, and just stay locked, you guys. Oh, in case you guys wondering, I use the 2-strand twist method, and I don't know. Stay locked. Update you at 5 months.